Welcome to MadgeTech, where precision measurement meets innovation. At MadgeTech, we build data loggers that track everything from temperature, humidity, pressure, shock and vibration, and more. What began in a Warner, New Hampshire basement as a late-night hobby has expanded to a global leader in data logging solutions. For the last 30 years, MadgeTech devices have been used around the world to help keep you safe.
It's been my passion for long before I started the company to create this kind of environment. I founded MadgeTech in 1996, started out doing all the engineering and sales and writing the firmware, the software, designing the hardware, and visited customers. Over time, like 29 years, I've grown it to what it is today.
These test instruments are integral to protecting food supplies, validating pharmaceutical manufacturing, monitoring energy systems, and even supporting aerospace applications.
One of the unique things about MadgeTech is that everything that we sell, we design and manufacture in-house. We don't outsource anything. That includes assembly, software, designing hardware, the machine shop. It's all done in-house. And we ship all over the world. We always think of our cheap electronics coming from Asia, but in this case, we're shipping about $2 million worth of electronic stuff to Asia every year.
The first thing that really was attractive to me for applying to MadgeTech was the fact that it is a tech company, which I'm inclined to work for due to my profession, but also because of its location. It's not in a big city. The fact that this is kind of out of the way, but still like right on the side of the highway, it's pretty attractive. You don't have to worry so much about traffic or traveling even, depending on where you live.
We do more than just invest in technology and creativity. We invest in the people who can bring innovation to the table so it can grow into something great.
Something else that makes me want to stay at MadgeTech is that I feel myself growing. I feel like I've put myself out there a lot more than I would have at any other job. The ability to travel, it makes me independent and it makes me think on my feet and figure out problems that arise that I wouldn't normally have to figure out.
They took it easy on me when I first got in. There was a nice get your feet wet, kick the tires on, the hardware, get to know people. Everybody's been very helpful when I need something that might be a roadblock or need some help getting through something. Everybody's very helpful, and new employees should expect that. Should expect people to help out.
That's another thing about here that I appreciate is the engineering staff. They do get the job done in a timely manner. Places I worked before with the engineers, it would take them forever to get a project done. And I think Norm will come up with an idea and he gives it to an engineer and they do whatever they can to get it done and then they succeed with it. So I respect that.
While working at MadgeTech, you'll find a culture that values learning, recognizes initiative, welcomes a positive attitude, and offers many great benefits.
At MadgeTech, I'm not just a number. I feel like I can actually make a difference, or at least help make a difference in the company.
There's a sense of urgency when it's needed, but for the most part, it's pretty relaxed. I mean, there's nobody over your shoulder pushing you to do things. It's not like that. It is relaxed. But like I said, when it demands, there's a sense of urgency and people take pride in their work.
MadgeTech is constantly expanding and searching for those who want to put their skills and knowledge towards a long and fulfilling career.
When I first started, I was a little bit intimidated by the wealth of knowledge that was here. There was so much that goes into our products, and we have so many products, so it was a little bit of a learning curve at first, but every single person helped me learn more. The engineers taught me each machine and how they worked. They kind of showed me the ropes on the back end. With me filming short social media videos, I got to watch them and what they do, and you can always ask questions to anybody. Everybody is so helpful here. They're willing to put everything down for you, and they're also funny and great people to talk to about life, not just work.
It's a good place to work. We need some firmware. We need some firmware engineers because there's a lot more work than I can possibly do. So if people are good in the microcontroller world and understand the kind of the principles of low power electronics, we're accepting resumes.
If you're ready to apply your talent where it truly matters, We want to hear from you. Visit MadgeTech.com/job opportunities, drop us your resume today, and let's build the next generation of data logging solutions together.